If you want to create a folder in the home screen on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, we actually have two main ways that allow you to do so. The first method is to press and hold your finger on the first app that you want to put in a folder, like this. Once you see these options, you can start dragging your app, and you want to place it on top of another app that you want to place in a folder. As you can see, we even have a little preview of the folder if we hold it correctly. It's running away, but I should be able to place it on top of it. There we go. And as you can see, the folder has been created. We can keep adding apps into the folder like this. But besides that, what you can also do is you can press and hold your finger on an empty space on the home screen. And then once you are in this editing mode, we can just select which apps should be placed in a folder. So let's say I'm gonna select a couple of different apps in here, and then in the upper left corner we have this folder button. And there we go, we can easily put every selected app into one folder. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.